मणिपुर में अगले साल होने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव में अप्सपा का मुद्दा केंद्र बन रहा है। अब राज्य में इसे लेकर सभी राजनीतिक पार्टियां एक दूसरे पर हमला कर रही है। पहले एनपीपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष कॉनराड संगमा ने अप्सपा को हटाने की मांग की, वहीं अब मणिपुर कांग्रेस इसे लेकर भाजपा सरकार से रुख स्पष्ट करने की मांग कर रही है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट लाइव से बात करते हुए मणिपुर कांग्रेस के कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष के मेघाचंद्र सिंह ने मुख्यमंत्री एन बीरेन सिंह से अप्सपा पर सरकार का रुख स्पष्ट करने को कहा। वहीं उन्होंने कॉनराड संगमा पर भी निशाना साधा। मेघाचंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि यदि एनपीपी सही मायने में अप्सपा को हटाने पर गंभीर है तो वो मुख्यमंत्री एन बीरेन सिंह पर दबाव बना कैबिनेट की बैठक बुलाए और कैबिनेट की बैठक में अप्सपा को हटाने संबंधी प्रस्ताव को मंजूरी दे। बता दें कि कांग्रेस ने पहले ही वादा किया है कि यदि राज्य में उनकी सरकार बनती है तो मणिपुर से अप्सपा को हटा लिया जाएगा।
The demand for repeal of AFSPA, besides Nagaland, it is also catching pace in Manipur and the entire Northeast. Two chief ministers, the Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, have openly demanded repeal of AFSPA from the entire region. What is the Congress's take on this? Do you have any message for Manipur CM N Biren Singh?
Yeah, definitely. The statement made by our Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh. The statement is not very clear on the point that the repeal of the Armed Forces Special for Act 1958. So he is just saying very loosely that he will approach to these central government. But the thing is that the Armed Forces Special for Act, this is a very draconian law. So very recently these incidents of voting there in Nagaland, where these many innocent people killed by these armed forces. So it's a very unfortunate. So from our side also, MPCC, we had a press conference on our stand of these AFSPA. So we demand to the state government as well as to the central government that first of all our demand is to leave this tough area, this extension here in the state. So it should be leave immediately. It is to the preview of the government of Manipur to leave this disturbed area status. So after this lifting, the government should approach to the central government to repeal the Armed Forces Special for Act 1958.
Mr. Meghachandra Singh, it is now clear by now that AFSPA issue has become a tool in a way, if I can mention that, for election campaigning. The NPP has clearly mentioned that it wants the AFSPA repealed. Will the Congress also go all out to voice its concern against AFSPA ahead of the election?
So regarding this NPP, the Konark Samaj, he has stated his statement. But in our case, in the state of Manipur, the Honorable Chief Minister is not clear on that also. And the NPP, presently, one of the MLAs of NPP, he is holding the Deputy Chief Minister's post. So why not this? Why should they speak for the next term? In the coming after the election of this 2022, why should he speak like that? Because they are in the government in the state.
So are you saying the NPP, if it's serious about repeal of AFSPA, it should threaten to withdraw support from the BJP-led government?
In fact, the stand is not clear in the state. So it's just promise. They are promised in the last election. Their promise is failed regarding the EST status for the Meitei, and we don't believe that after the next election they can approach to repeal these AFSPA. So we don't believe it, and they should hold the immediate cabinet meeting. No, it is in the purview of the state, so they can have the cabinet meeting immediately, and they can leave this disturbed area, the status in the state. You see, during the Congress government, We had looked at the disturbed area status in the 7th assembly segment in the Imphal, Delhi. But the NPP and the BJP, we don't have seen their clear stand on it. If they are very serious, then they should have a whole meeting of cabinet.
How will the Congress press on the government the need for repeal of AFSPA? Do you have anything planned?
Yes, we have planned in the list of this manifesto, which is going to be published very shortly before the election. And at the same time, our stand is that we will remove these black laws. If our government comes in the next election, we will put in the agenda of the first cabinet meeting in case we are in power in the next election. This is the clear stand of the Congress party.